Thank you, Deep Learning Indaba, for hosting this ideathon and for creating spaces where AI talent can connect. It was at Deep Learning Indaba 2025, Rwanda, when our team met for first time. We shared the same idea and we agreed for it. It's ASR system. Today we are proud to present our project, our model, Africa Voice, a multimodal automatic speech recognition system that built specially for African voices and environment. Each team member of our team now will share a part of our vision. Let's begin.
Across Africa, voices represents pride, it represents culture, and it represents identity. Unfortunately, in technological evolution, these key uniqueness of African voices have not been captured. I wonder, why do I say that? Current ASR systems have failed to capture the uniqueness in African voices because most of these models are trained using Western accents, and so thereby they fail to capture African accents. In the over 2,000 African languages, these systems, they fail to function effectively in especially noisy environments, say places like classrooms or bus stations or markets. This isn't just a technical issue. This is a technological divide that has exempted millions of people from the things AI brings, especially in areas like, let's say, financial inclusion, in healthcare, in general digital use on a daily basis, just because of the accent problem. Now, with over 1.3 billion people excluded in the African context, and 60% drop in, let's say, areas where there are noise or environments of noisy places, it is therefore very imperative that AI systems, that these systems becomes advanced and inclusivity is considered in the ASR system space.
What if technology could truly understand every African voice? Today, we are tackling a major challenge in voice technology. The system we use daily were built for a narrow range of accent and for quiet rooms. And let's be honest, that's not our reality, is it? They often fail with the beautiful diversity of our African accent and the vibrant, noisy environment where we actually live and work. This is the daily reality for many. You might say, I go to school, and your phone write, I go to school. We laugh, but this small error break down communication. They create frustration, and ultimately, they exclude millions of users. This is the problem we are solving with Africa Voice. So, what are the two big challenges we had to face? First, the accent challenge. How do we teach a machine the unique melody of our English? And second, the noise challenge. What happens when life gets loud? In a busy market, a loud factory, can the system still understand you? Let me show you how it works. For the accent challenge, the solution was simple but powerful. We needed data that sounds like us. So we are training our AI with thousands of voices from across the continent, from Tunisia, Egypt, Ethiopia, Benin, Nigeria, and more. We are not forcing our voice to fit a mold. We are creating a mold that finally fits us. Now, for the noise challenge, this is where we get smart. We thought, what if we could give the system eyes as well as ears? Imagine a doctor in a busy clinic or a vendor in a noisy market. When the audio is too corrupted, Africa Voice can look at a video by focusing on the movement of your lips. Our model can see the words you are forming. It's like giving the AI the power of lip reading.
Our technical stack is built on proven state-of-the-art models specially adapted for our task. For the audio stream, we use a fine-tuning whisper model from OpenAI or Wave2Vec from Meta. Its robust pre-training gives us a powerful foundation, which we then specialize using our African accent dataset. For the visual stream, we will process lip movement using a ResNet 3D or Vision Transformer architecture. These models are excellent at extracting spatiotemporal features from video frames, allowing them to effectively model the complex visual pattern of speech. The core innovation is our fusion mechanism. We don't just average the outputs. We use a cross-model transformer, similar to architectures used in model like Clip. This allows for deep features-level interaction between the audio and video streams, using an attention mechanism to dynamically decide which modality to trust more for each segment of speech. This integrated pipeline delivers a system that is both linguistically and environmentally intelligent.
The impact of African voice spans multiple domains. Imagine a student in Addis Ababa receiving accurate captions in a noisy classroom, or a mother in Nairobi being fully understood on a telehealth call. Think of a visually impaired entrepreneur in Lagos accurately dictating his messages even in traffic. From mobile banking to voice assistants, African Voice ensures technology works for African voices in African accents, in African environments, and this is more than a software. It is a movement of dignity, representation, and digital equity.
Across Africa, our voices carry identity and culture, yet technology often struggles to understand us. Introducing Africa Voice, designed to hear African accents with clarity and respect. We combine audio and visual signals to overcome noise and bias in our environments. If the audio is unclear, lip cues help stabilize recognition. Our accent-aware training uses African speech datasets to reduce error rates. We evaluate fairness by measuring accuracy per accent and language, ensuring no one is left behind. Imagine a student in Addis Ababa receiving accurate captions in a noisy hall. Picture a mother in Nairobi speaking naturally on a hotline and being fully understood. With Africa Voice, mobile banking and smart assistants finally work for us in our accents. This is more than software. It's a movement for equity and representation in AI.